Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dan from Big Bucks Trading. In this video, I'm going to be going over Siacoin because I do think that it's ready to make a massive move very soon. I'm also going to be going over my price target for it this bull run. Also, if you haven't checked out my Twitter, it's Dan Trading. I go over stock plays and crypto updates throughout the week. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is how Siacoin has been following this curved trend line for about the last 3 years, and every time it touches it, it has a big bounce come off of it. It's a very nice support level. So if we go back to 2018, you can see that we had a nice 250% bounce right there. Right over here, 90% bounce, 200% bounce. Then you could see once it started to change the trend and go into an uptrend, these bounces were bigger. You can see this one bouncing 600%, hit the trending support over here, 2700%, and then recently it had a 240% bounce off of support, and we are at this support level again. And this is where I'm expecting Siacoin to find some support at, because every time for the last 3 years that it's hit this support level, it has had very big bounces. So that is one reason that I'm bullish on this coin. Another reason, if you go on the weekly time frame and you draw this big trend line, you could see that ever since back here this was a support level, and then it went into resistance and now becoming support again. This is a bullish sign that we retested a trending resistance line as support. Another thing, if you take the fractal from the 2017 bull run on Siacoin and you put it over the price right now in this bull run, you can see that it's following it exactly. It went up, went all the way up to about 6 cents, almost 6.5 cents, caught some resistance, came back down, went down to the exact support level as it did in the 2017 bull run, and it double bottomed just like it did over here as well. If it were to keep following the fractal that it's been following throughout this whole bull run, it would take it up to about 31 cents. Siacoin is also in a 5-wave structure where it makes 5 waves up and then it ABCs back down, and a good target for your ABC is back down to your 4th wave support, and you can see that it held that perfectly. Within each impulse wave there are subwaves. As you can see in this example, there's 5 subwaves within each wave, and then in your corrective waves you have an ABC structure. So if we take back a look at Siacoin, you can see that it's doing exactly that. You have an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have your corrective wave, which is your ABC correction, ABC. And then you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within your 3rd wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have your corrective wave, ABC. And then, of course, you have another 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are your subwaves within your regular impulse waves. After the structure has occurred and your ABC comes back down to your 4th wave support, it usually goes up and takes out this 5th wave resistance and makes another 5 waves up. So I do think that we are just setting up for our next 3rd impulse wave on the broader scale. If we take a look back to the 2017 bull run and we draw our Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, you can see that it went a little bit above that 4.236 before crashing. Also, if you take your trend-based Fibonacci extension and do that from your low over here to your high up here and drag it down to this support area in here, you can see that it went perfectly up to that 4.236, and it did wick above it, but you can see that the body stayed below that 4.236 level. Since it's been following the structure of the 2017 bull run over here, I would do the same measurement for this bull run for my target. Measure the swing high to swing low, and the 4.236 is about 25 cents. Now if we take our trend-based Fibonacci extension, this would put it a little bit higher. This one putting it at about 27 cents, and then our fractal puts it at about 31. So anywhere between 25 to 31 cents is very possible this bull run, in my opinion. Since this 5-wave structure and this ABC have already completed, I think that this next 5 waves up will take us to around that 4.236 target. So it looks something like this. And this is my realistic target for this bull run. These 5 waves could definitely go beyond that 4.236 if our third impulse wave wants to be the longest. But remember that our third wave doesn't have to be the longest, it just cannot be the shortest. So this is what I think is going to happen next. I think that we're going to continue to follow this fractal from the 2017 bull run, and we're about to go very parabolic. I think that our 5-wave structure just got completed, and that we are ready to set our next 5 waves up, which will take us up to around that price target of 25 to 31 cents. I do not think that this support level right in here will break. I do think that that is the bottom, and we're going to start grinding our way back up to take out this previous 5th wave resistance right about up there. That's going to be it for this video. That's my price target and my analysis on Siacoin. If you guys like this video, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll continue to post out more of this type of content. Have a good one.